So today I'm in a different truck, as you guys can see. I am in, this is the truck that Jay's been driving, but one of our buddies, Opal, he was driving this truck, but he's not really driving anymore. He's been on a little break, so I'm using it today because Jay used my truck to go do a call up north somewhere. But this is it here, pretty nice truck. Anyways, I just got a call here to do a tow quickly. It's that truck there. It's not starting, so it's already disconnected and stuff, so I don't know what my best option here is. I don't want to pull the drive shaft in this muddy ground, but it's already disconnected. I gotta put the fifth wheel down. Okay. All right, let me start hooking this thing up, guys, and hey guys, let's get to this. So unfortunately, I don't have my tools, so I'm gonna have to pull it out. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to concentrate here and think of a solution I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna have to pull it out and then rear tow it because all my stuff's in my truck, and this truck doesn't have any sockets, gun, or pretty much what I need to remove the drive shaft and whatnot. So my job just got a little more difficult, so I'm not gonna winch it out just because the fifth wheel plate is stuck right behind the kingpin. Okay. Guys, so I am unfortunately going to drag this truck out because, like I said, I do not have the tools in this truck because the guy that drove before must have took all his stuff out. So I'm just gonna take it really easy, pull it out super slow, and then rear tow it. All right, let's go. Let's pull her out. Where's this going? To Glidden, right? Glidden?
Glidden, yeah.
Okay.
The motor was gone.
Oh, the motor's gone?
Yeah.
Oh shit. What's inside this? Detroit? What's inside of it? Detroit?
Cat 6 engine.
Ooh! You're gonna spend money on this, eh?
Yeah.
Shit.
The motor was really good. But then I don't want to use that one.
Yeah, but he's gonna rebuild it, right?
Yeah, rebuild.
How much is rebuild?
$26,000 only just part.
Oh, okay, okay.
So 5,000 labor.
Where are you going to? You're going to those Indian guys with a black, there's a black guy there, right?
Black
You're
guy.
going there?
Yeah.
So I just bought a truck, right?
Yeah.
I bought a 379. I went there and I told him just do a valve adjustment.
So you know the guy, is the name Sid, right?
Yes, yeah. So I went to him just recently and he charged me so much, man. He charged me, so it's a C12 in it.
Okay.
He charged, I need a valve adjustment, I need some other stuff, and he charged me too much.
Okay.
Too much. I don't like that guy.
Okay.
I don't like him at all, man.
I know everyone fucking sent me there, man. That's all.
Yeah.
They told me he's a good guy, so.
Yeah, I just bought my first truck. Cause I'm leaving towing. So I went there to get it fixed, get some stuff looked at it, and oh man, I don't like him.
Because my friend, he's working over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so he told me.
Oh, if your friend is working, there's difference.
Yeah. Because I asked the price for a cat. Cat gave me that same part. Around $27,000.
Just for parts, right?
Yeah.
How much does he charge you for labor?
$4,500.
Oh, that's good, man.
That's good. Yeah, it's not too bad.
That's good. When you drive, does your wheel stay straight? Or is it a little bit crooked?
A little bit bad.
Okay.
How we push the track?
How?
Big tire. The big tire.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
So we put in the front.
And when you pushed it with the tire?
Push that track. That track.
What do you do? Drag it?
Huh?
You guys dragged it?
Yeah. We just push like that because we fill up the air. So we just. So it takes like 1 hour, man.
You should have told John to come back.
Yeah. I didn't call him though. So you can park over here or park somewhere else?
Where?
In the Bolton?
When my truck is done?
Yeah.
I'm gonna park maybe at Cadetta.
Cadetta, okay. They have 2 yards over there, eh?
Yeah.
20,000. So I spent like almost 30,000 on top.
Oh, so you got a year out of it at least.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm finally hooked up here. All my tie-down chains are on, my axles are tied up, safety chains are on, tow lights are on. Let's get out of here. He's blown in it, so he's bringing it to get it fixed, and he's bringing it to a shop that I went to when I first bought my truck, and I don't like the guy because I feel like he overcharged me. I'll meet you there, okay? So I'm here at the shop to drop this thing off, but unfortunately my GoPro's dead and I'm not in my truck to charge it. Usually I charge it, like when I have it sitting, but it's not. Okay. Okay. I was just talking to the mechanic there. He wants me to move back, but that's the shop. That's the shop that I brought my Pete to initially to get some stuff done, and it wasn't. It's not a trustworthy shop, boys. I don't trust them. I don't trust them at all. But it is what it is. That's a truck back there. So I'm gonna drop this and then be done. Short little quick little video, and that's it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, comment, because I love comments, and yeah, peace.